Welcome to retirement life. I'm up here in Caseville. It's gonna be 78 to 83, something like that. It's hot today. Finally, some nice weather. I love it. Got the boat over here. I'm gonna pull the cover off. Just got done rinsing it down for it'll dry. I got a hose that I'm attached, and then I can rinse the boat down real quick, and then I'm gonna go out for a cruise. I might go to Bay City. That's a long drive, but it's an hour and a half to get there, hour and a half to get back. But it would give me something to do. Either that or go up to up in the Thumb, which I am up in the Thumb, but I don't want to go across to East Tallus either right now, or Port Austin. That's the name of it. That's what I was trying to think of. So I'm gonna tape myself, taking the cover off. This cover's got 5 poles on it, and it's a lot longer than the summer cover that I want to use all the time. That cover needs to be up when it's going to be hot every day, and it's supposed to be in the 80s all week, so it's time to put the cover on. Quick, there's the boat, and all right, we're gonna put it right there. All right, here we go. We're gonna go take the cover off. This is harder than the air cover that I took off the other day. Okay,